Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today how to use split screen on Windows 10 easily. I'll show you how to split the screen into 2 and also into 4. I'll also show you how you can use the Windows key for this feature, and then at the end I'll be having this lovely cup of tea. First of all, let's split the window into 2. So I'm just going to open up some applications. I've just got a web browser here. Just going to make it slightly smaller here, and what you do is drag it over to the edge, keep dragging it until the cursor goes off the edge. Then Windows knows that you want that on half the screen and it automatically does it. Just going to open up Word again, dragging it over to the left hand side off the screen, and then eventually Windows will know that you want it popped in, and there we go. We've got a split screen with Word on one side and a web browser on the other. Now let's split the window into 4. I'm just going to open up some applications. So I've got Microsoft Excel, making it smaller, and what you do is drag it into the top right hand corner or any of the corners, and it will automatically pop it into that corner. Then select anything else that you've got open and it will automatically pop that into the spare area. So my web browser here, going to pop that into the top left hand corner, dragging it off the screen, then selecting Word, which is left, and that goes into the bottom left. So now I've got 4 applications open in 4 separate areas of the window. Of course, you can drag these all around as you wish, but it's just an easier way of Windows just doing it all for you. And then if you're working in all those applications, it just makes it a lot easier just to switch between the 4. So you can go down to the bottom left here with Word, type something in, then go back to your web browser, then go to Excel, carry on typing stuff in. You can also use the keyboard to move the screen around by using the Windows key and then the arrow buttons. I'll just show you how that works. I've just got Word open in the corner here. So Windows key and arrow buttons, you can basically just move that around the screen. So any of your applications which are open, use the Windows key and the arrows to move them about the screen. I hope that was useful. Time for that brew.